Welcome to Bankruptcy Basics. I'm a small business and I cannot pay my rent and I'm having trouble paying my creditors. Before we get started, I just want to give a brief disclaimer. This video is solely for educational purposes only and does not represent legal advice from the Wallace Law Group or Stephen E. Wallace. So today is May 1st, and for many small businesses, the May rent payment is due. And a lot of small business, a lot of my clients, and also myself, I have not yet gotten the PPP government loan, nor have I received the EIDL SBA disaster relief loan. I am lucky. I'm one of the few folks that have gotten the EIDL advance, which is $1,000 per employee, up to $10,000. So luckily I have received that, but for many small businesses, they have not. They're behind on their trade creditors. They're behind on their rent. Well, the good news is that a lot of small businesses can seek protection under the bankruptcy laws, under Chapter 11 of the Bankruptcy Code. And under the CARES Act, it's expanded the small business provisions, which is subchapter 5 of Chapter 11, which used to allow small businesses that had creditors up to $2 million. That's increased now for 1 year only up to $8 million. And it's also provided a summary Chapter 11 proceeding where a small business Chapter 11, similar to a Chapter 7 bankruptcy case and a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case, a subchapter V Chapter 11 small business trustee is appointed, and the case is administered similar to Chapter 13 personal bankruptcy. Some of the benefits of the subchapter V Chapter 11, it allows you to repay your debts in a plan up to 5 years. And under Chapter 11, which is very beneficial to a lot of small businesses, that would allow any past due rent that you have to your landlord to be repaid over a 5-year period, and as long as you maintain current on your rent going forward. Additionally, under the Bankruptcy Code, there's an ability for small businesses to accept or reject contracts, which is a very pervasive provision under law. It allows small businesses in Chapter 11 to file a motion with the court to reject leases. So I'll give you an example. A very popular restaurant chain in South Florida, 2J's, just filed bankruptcy this past week. And it's going to be very beneficial to them because it allows them to catch up on past due rent. And for small businesses that have multiple locations, it allows them to terminate leases in unprofitable locations and then pay back cents on the dollar on their obligations under the leases. Also, any trade contracts can also be rejected inside of bankruptcy. So there's a lot of opportunities in bankruptcy, especially in Chapter 11 for small businesses, to allow them the ability to reorganize. Many small businesses are handcuffed, especially those in the restaurant and retail industry, as a result of the mandatory government closings of these businesses. Luckily, in most parts of Florida, other than South Florida, where I currently am, a lot of restaurants are going to be reopened to 25% capacity and outdoor seating, provided social distancing guidelines are met. And also retail stores are also going to be allowed to operate at 25% capacity. But in closing, I'm very experienced in small business Chapter 11s, and I'm well versed in the changes to the existing law. So if you have any questions, you can visit us on the web at thewallacelawgroup.com. You can call me at the office at 561-877-6020. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. We're putting out Bankruptcy Basics once a week, and then we're also putting out our Ask an Attorney Anything series once a week. So once again, I truly enjoy educating all of you, and please feel free to call us. We're here to help you in these trying times.